TOG Systems is a remote communications company. We provide rentals to companies out in the boonies. Basically, we bring out cellular and satellite communications to companies that are working out in remote communications. So we're primarily a rental business. At TOG, over the last 5 to 7 years, we've tried to implement a number of different database solutions, all of which have failed. It has been a great challenge trying to find a good partner that we could work with. We've had many difficulties from the onboarding process to the concept of development, and because we work in such a unique area and in a unique business, our rentals are quite different. Most companies don't understand that, and that has been the challenge and the problem. And like I said, we've had all of them fail up to this point. We've been using Rigger for about 6 months now, and we're completely happy with the system. The Rigger team has been amazing right from the initial conversation as far as providing us with consultation and assistance with the development process, coming up with the templates and building the database, all the way through to implementation, which was much smoother than we could have ever anticipated. And now with the ongoing support and customer service, we couldn't be more happy. If we have changes that we need done or we need support on something not working, we know that Rigger is just a phone call or an email away, and you help us solve our problems right away.